أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Alright, so this is the first takbir, which means when you begin the prayer after the niyyah. These are the words which you say. This is called takbir, the first takbir, and we will say these words. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, Allah is
But
the greatest. What?
your voice is good is like getting cut off.
My voice is getting cut off?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Shamir didn't complain about it. Let me check. Is your internet working fine?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. I don't really use the internet.
You are using currently the internet. Because of this
Oh.
internet, you are listening to me.
Oh.
You're a funny girl. I'm not sure why it is cutting off. Nobody else complained about it. I have taught today before you, including Shamir, at least 4 students. They didn't complain to me. 5 students. First of all, it was Yusuf, your cousin, and then it was 2 students from Michigan, 3, and then after that, 1 student from Canada, 4, uh, fifth and sixth student from other American students. The seventh one was Shamir. You are the eighth one. Out of those 8, you are the only one who's complaining. The voice is cutting off. I'm not sure. Is it still cutting off?
Yeah, and it's also a bit echoey.
Echoey. Okay, echoey is something else. Uh, okay.
It's echoey and it's getting cut off.
You may check your device. Maybe it has some problem. Are you using your iPad?
Yeah.
Are you using your headphones or earpads or something?
No,
Okay, so
no, it's just like
no, no. I know. I understand the problem. Now the thing is, when you will use your speakers, and you will not be using your earpods or something, the voice will be echoing and it will not be clear. It will be cut off because my voice will come to your speaker, and then from that will come to the mic and return back. So that will create the echo or the echo. You have to use some kind of headphones or earpods in order to listen to
because
me.
like every class we don't use like something for the ears or anything.
And in the previous classes, was there no problem?
Yeah.
Okay, so you may increase the distance between you and the tab. It may resolve the issue. Maybe keep the tab further away from you a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So when we begin the prayer, this is the first takbir. We say Allahu Akbar. Just say Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, Allah is the greatest. Then comes the thana. This is the name of the statement which we read after saying Allahu Akbar. That is Subhanakallahumma.
I can't see the entire thing.
You can't see the entire thing.
No.
I have shared the screen.
Like there's no saw. Salt, I mean.
Where is fall?
Or
This
or,
is
or
seen.
sheet. There's no scene or salt. I don't see one.
Can you please bring your tab in
Oh,
in
now I see.
in in landscape mode?
No. I see it now. It was just too zoomed in.
Mm-hmm. Okay. سبحانك اللهم.
Subhan Subhan Subhanaka. Wait, what?
S-
Subhan Subhanaka.
سبحانك اللهم.
Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhana, ha must be sharper. Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanaka Allahumma.
We have to press the meme for 2 seconds. Apply gunna properly. Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanaka Allahumma.
Wa bihamdika.
Wa bihamdika.
No, bache. No, ha is sharper. Come on. Wa bihamdika.
Wa bihamdika.
Wa tabaraka ismuka.
Wa tabarakasmuka.
Wa ta'ala.
Wa ta'ala
Jadduka.
jadduka.
Wa la ilaha.
Wa la ilaha
Ghayruk.
ghayruk.
Please read.
Subhanaka Allahumma. Wa 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 bihamdu wa bihamdika.
Yes, yes.
Wa wa tabarika.
No.
Oops. Wa tabarakasmuka.
Good job.
Okay, sorry. Wa wa ta'ala wa ta'ala.
No, no, no. Alif Madarul.
Oh, wa ta'ala
Yeah.
jad jadduka.
Yeah.
Wala
Wal Alif Madar.
wala ilaha
Yeah, and
wala
small mud.
wala ilaha
Yeah.
ghayruka.
You have to stop there.
Ghayruk.
Ghayruk. Good job. Glory be to you. 1 minute, please. Glory be to you, O Allah, and all praises are due unto you. And blessed is your name, and high is your majesty, and none is worthy of worship but you.